Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can build this type of website using the Astra AI. So you can see that this website is fully made using the Astra AI, and you can also customize it using the Elementor page builder. Okay, so you can see that this is the clinic website. So right now it is the single pager website, but I have made this website using the Astra AI in just a few minutes, and I will show you that how you can build this type of awesome website using the Astra AI step by step from start to end. Also you can fully customize it using the Elementor page builder. Also you can use this Astra AI to make the multi-pager website, and this is totally free. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you that how you can build this awesome clinic website using the Astra AI, and this website is also fully responsive for all the screens. So let me show you that this website is also fully responsive. So like you can see, when we click on this about, it will go to the about. Okay, we can click on the schedule to go to the schedule, and this website is fully working. And right now it is the single pager website, but in the upcoming videos I will make a video where you can build the multi-pager website also. So let's go to this mode. So let's use that responsiveness widget. From here we have this mobile simulator, and I'm going to show you that this website is fully responsive for all the screen, and this is fully built using the Astra AI in just a few minutes. So you can see this is the mobile screen, and you can see this website is fully responsive for the smaller screens also. Okay, and you can see this is fully working, and we can just click on this and it will go to the top. Now you can see we have this menu also. Okay, now let me show you that this website is also responsive for other screens. Like let's click on this tablet Galaxy Tab S7, and we can see, so you can see this is fully responsive here also. Okay, so you can see this is fully responsive for all the screens. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to use the Astra AI, and you can make this type of awesome website which is fully customizable using the Elementor page builder for free. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video, and we're going to build this awesome website step by step from start. Okay, so first I have installed a Flash WordPress installation. Okay, so let me set up the themes and the plugins. So let's go to the awareness, and here we have to install the theme. Okay, let's first go to the plugin option, and here we can install the Elementor first. Okay, so this will work with the Elementor free version also, but I have the pro version, so I will also install that. But you can make this website using the free version Elementor also. Okay, after that let's click on this add plugin. Okay, after that we can just go to this Elementor. Okay, let's go to the Elementor, and here we have to just install this. Okay, and here I have the chat GPT, so I will ask him to give some prompt for the clinic website. Okay, so in this video we're gonna build the multi-page clinic website using the Astra AI. So let's go to add plugin, and here we have to just upload the Elementor Pro. So this is the Elementor Pro. If you want to download the Elementor Pro, all the links are in the video description. You can also follow along. Okay, Elementor Pro is there. Okay, so let's wait for it, Elementor Pro to install. Okay, so and we're gonna build the awesome website using the Astra AI. Okay, in the upcoming videos I'm gonna show you that how to build website using the Cloud AI also. Okay, so now you can see that Elementor and its Pro version is there. Okay, now let's go to the themes, and here we have to install the themes. Okay, let's click on this add theme, and we have to go to this Astra theme. Okay, and after that we have to activate this. So let's activate this. Okay, let's delete this old theme which is not required. Now you can see we have the Astra. Now you can see the Astra its theme is there. So now let's go to this. So I think we have to go to this Astra dashboard. So here I think we have to go to the dashboard, and here we have to install starter templates of this. Okay, let's go to starter templates. Okay, and here you can see we have this option. So here you can see, here you will find an option to install the starter templates. So I think, okay, so here you can see we have this option. Click on the starter templates, and now you can see here we have this option start building now. So you can just click on this. It is still loading. Okay, network. Okay, now we can click on the start building now. So it will install the starter templates, and we have to use this to make the website using the Elementor Pro. Okay, so you can see this is activated. Now let me Okay, till now let's go to the chat GPT and we can ask him to give some prompts. Hey, I want to make a clinic website using Astra AI. So can you give me some best prompt for that? Okay, so we can just ask the chat GPT to give us the prompt. You can see here we have the AI site builder here. So let me change my Wi-Fi. Okay, so you can see if you are using Astra to generate a complete clinic website, the prompt should be for the modern device. You can see here we have, and this is the full section. So let's ask him to give me prompt to copy paste directly. Okay, now we can ask him to give the prompt to copy paste directly. So it will give the prompt and we can just copy this from here. Okay, let me change. Okay, let's keep this generated first. Okay, now let me change this from here. Okay, so this is connected. Okay, now let me go to this, and here we have to just click on the build with AI. Okay, so we're gonna use the AI website builder of this. You can also use the classic starter templates, but we're gonna build the whole website using the AI. If you want, you can just click give some website name. I'm just giving clinic to webs clinic version 1. Okay, you can give, and here you can search like if this website is for local business and this should be in English. So let's give. Now you can see here we have what are the goals of this website. So you can choose like a sell product if you want to sell the product, collect donation, other services. Okay, so here are all these things. So I'm not selecting any. Let's do next. Okay, now here we have to give this prompt. So let me copy this prompt for this Astra AI. Okay, and we're gonna paste it here. Okay, now we have this. Now let's click next. Okay, now you can see this is asking for the mail and all, but we can skip this step. Okay, now you can see here we have the healthcare automatically selected. Now we have to choose some images, like we can choose the images, which images you want to put, like this is good, this is good, this is also good. Okay, so you can choose some random images from here, whichever you like to put on your website, like this is also good. Okay, this is also good. Okay, so you can, so I'm just uh, after that you have to click on the next. So now you have this option like block or Elementor. So we can choose the Elementor here. Okay, let's click on this Elementor, and you can see this is generating the preview for our website. Okay, so now you can see this has generated the preview, and here also we have the premium previews, and also we have this free one. So you can see we have this free one, and if I go below we have more free ones, I think. Okay, so this is the all the premium. Okay, all premium. Okay, so this is the free one. Okay, this is also free one. Okay, let's see more. Okay, load more designs. You can also load the more design, and you can also click on this from here. So this will open in the new tab to check the designs. Okay, so let's click on this one, and you can see this is loading, and we can also preview more. Okay, so you can see all of these websites are there. I think the you can also see, so you can see this website is also looking good, and this is built with Astra AI. Okay, now let me go and load some more designs. So let's see if we get some more designs or not, and we if we are done, we gonna choose the design from above. Okay, so you can see I like this is really looking great. Okay, let me go for this option 28. Okay, now you can see this is simple, but it has some bold color. That's why it is looking good, and also this is looking good, I think. You can upload your file. If you want to change the fonts, you can just change the fonts. Suppose you don't like this fonts, right? You can just update this fonts. This is looking great. This is also okay. So you can just play with the font before going. So I'm gonna choose this font. Okay, this is looking great. You can also change the color palette, like here you can change the color palette. Okay, I'll say use the first one only. Okay, and click on the next. Okay, now you can see it is asking for the feature. If you want to install the SEO and search visibility plugin, cookie content. If you want, you can just tick all of this. If you don't want, I don't want. Okay, now we can start building. Okay, now you can see it is saying great job, your site is ready. Now we have to just log into this zip WP. Okay, we have to create the zip WP account, and now you can see almost there. So you have to just follow all the steps which will come there. Okay, I have this. So you have only two websites you can make the free by using this. So you have to just log in there and confirm and proceed. Okay, now you can see when I proceed, it has started. Sit back, we are building your website. This usually takes under a minute while you wait, and here what you can do with the zip WP. Okay, so you can see it has created you can, it is showing what you can do with the zip WP like this. Okay, these things, and okay, so just you have to wait preparing your site, installing the required plugins. Okay, so let's wait for some time and let's see what this Astra AI will build for us. Okay, so this will take some 5 to 10 minutes or less than that, depend on your internet speed. And you will have your fully working multi-pager website using the Astra AI. You have to just upload the client content and all. Okay, so then this website is fully ready for you. Here you can see what you can do with the zip WP. Okay, AI site builder is there. Describe your business, get a full website. Okay, here you have AI site planner. Then we have the build with cloud host with the zip WP. Okay, here you can buy it also the domains also directly. Here we have classic templates. Here we have premium hosting. Okay, so this is almost done. 82% is done. Okay, so it is saying, whoa, your website is ready. Let's click on this your website. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so you can see we have successfully built our website, and this is really looking great. Okay, so this is built with fully Astra AI, and this is multi-page website. You can see, I hope this is multi-page website, and we have just demonstrated what we want. We can click on this. Okay, so this is not the multi-page website. Okay, but you can build the multi-page website also. Just you have to give the prompt. Okay, you can see it depends totally on the prompt. I think the prompt or that UI which we have used, that is not the multi-pager, but you can choose from the more plans. You can see. Okay, so you can see this website is fully done, and we have built this fully working website using the extra. Okay, now let me show you that you can also customize. Suppose we want to customize it, right? So we can just open this with Elementor also. So let's open this with Elementor. Okay, now let's open this with Elementor. So you can see we can fully customize it with the Elementor. Okay, so when you choose the template, so when you choose any template, you have to just open the template in a new tab, and you have to see that this website is single pager or multi pager. Okay, according to that you can. So now you can see if you want to change the content, you can just go here, change the content. If you want to change the photo, you can just click on this. Okay, you can just click on this and update the images from here. Okay, so this website is fully customizable using the Elementor. Okay, I hope you understand how you can make this type of awesome website using the Astra AI. And this website is fully responsive also. You can see fully responsive for the tablet, fully responsive for this mobile screen. Okay, so I hope you understand how you can build this type of awesome website. You can also customize this fully, add some more section, make it multi-page. Okay, so for starting your website, or you can also make the multi-page website. I will make some more videos on the Astra AI, and I will make the multi-page website also in the next video. Okay, so I hope you understand how to make this type of awesome website using the Astra AI, and also you can add it with Elementor. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you are new to our channel, like and share our video with your friends, subscribe to the channel. I will get back to more videos like this. Thanks for watching.